If you're trying to redeem a GOG gift card and you keep getting an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes that solve the problem for most people in just a minute. This happens more often than you'd think, especially when a code includes characters that look almost identical. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. First, double check the redeem code carefully for similar characters like a 0 and the letter O, or ones and lowercase l. It may sound simple, but this is one of the most common reasons a GOG code fails. Go through the code slowly and compare every character before trying again. If it still doesn't work, use the second method. Press Ctrl Shift and R on your keyboard to do a hard refresh of the page. This forces your browser to reload the page completely and can clear issues caused by broken cache or cookies. After the refresh, try redeeming the code again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, that's all it takes to fix the GOG redeem code problem. If this solved it for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.